Hi, today we are creating a logo carousel for Divi theme. This is the final result. Let's start. First of all, we have to add a new plugin. For this, click plugins and add a new. Search for logo carousel. There are a lot of results plugins available for this title, and we will select this logo carousel by Abu Hayat. Install it. Now this plugin is installing. Then we have to activate. This is the client logo carousel. Now we have to edit our home page to add this logo carousel. So edit this home page. This is totally blank home page, so we have to edit a pre-made layout from Divi. There are hundreds of free layouts available if you purchase a Divi theme. If you have API key, then you can easily click any example of layout, like there are home page, landing page and various sub pages. Now we are adding home layout. This is importing this layout. It will take some time. Now you can update this page. Now we will check the results of this home page. This is the front end. This is our client logo carousel. Click it. Add a new. And upload the logo images here. Select files and select all the logo and open. There are few logos. Select first one. Then you have to add these logos one by one. This is second logo. This is third logo. You can select all the logos one by one. There are various settings also available, like image width, image height, background color, border color, padding, etc. So you can set it as per your requirements. This is very easy plugin to make a logo carousel for any WordPress site. Today we are adding this logo carousel to our favorite Divi theme. Divi theme is the easiest and fastest WordPress theme. Before publishing, you have to add a name, like I am adding a name my logo carousel and publishing. After that, you have to click client logo carousel, get the shortcode. This one, client logo carousel, click it, and this is our shortcode. You have to copy it. Go to our home page, add a new section. And add text module from Divi. Search text module, text. This is our text module. Click it. And you have to paste this shortcode here. This is our shortcode. Very easy. Our logos are white, so we have black background. You can adjust the color of this background. Now all white logo will be seen. perfectly. save it, and we will checking our home page in a new tab, and this is refreshing the site. This is our home page, and this is our beautiful logo carousel, and you can create it very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video.